Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be looking at two popular dash cams that promise to capture every moment on the road. On the left, we have the VIOFO A119 V32K dash cam, and on the right, we have the Galphi 3-channel dash cam. So buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. Let's start with the most important feature of any dash cam, the video quality. The VIOFO A119 V3 shoots in stunning 2K resolution at 60 frames per second, giving you crystal clear footage during the day and night. It even has a Sony Star VIS 5 megapixels image sensor for exceptional clarity in low light conditions. Next up, let's talk about parking mode. The VIOFO A119 V3 has three innovative solutions to protect your car when it's parked. It offers auto event detection, time-lapse recording, and low bitrate recording. With the buffered parking mode, it can capture incidents before and after they occur. Just make sure to get the HK3 ACC hardwire cable for this feature. Now let's dive into the additional features these dash cams offer. The VIOFO A119 V3 comes with a GPS module that records real-time speed, time, and GPS route in the video file. It even has an HDR function to balance lighting and capture clear license plates. And with its G-sensor motion detection and loop recording, it's a complete package. The VIOFO A119 V32K dashcam comes out on top with its superior video quality, advanced parking mode, and additional features. And that's a wrap, folks. We've compared the VIOFO A119 V32K dashcam and the Galphi 3-channel dashcam. While both cameras have their strengths, the VIOFO A119 V3 comes out on top with its superior video quality, advanced parking mode, and additional features. But remember, the best dash cam for you ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below for more information on these products. Thanks for watching, and remember to buy smart.